नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो। Myself, Dr. Anita Chaudhary, Assistant Professor, Department of Materia Medica, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, JVW. Today topic is Homeopathic Materia Medica, History and Definition. Samuel Hahnemann invented homeopathy while translating the botanical book Treatise of the Materia Medica, written by the Scottish physician William Cullen from English to German in 1790. 20 pages in the book Treatise of the Materia Medica are devoted to Peruvian cinchona bark, which is used to prepare the medicine quinine. This substance produces fever-like symptoms and also being used to cure intermittent fevers. This characteristic property of the bark led Hahnemann to conceive the principle of similar that like make cure like. He went on to develop the materia medica along these homeopathic lines and other than continued this work to produce great volume of potential ingredients. Drug proving is the basic source of materia medica through which drugs who have found a place in materia medica are known of their symptomatology and their physical and mental presentation. Drug proving is carried out by the methods described by Dr. Hahnemann in his book Organ of Medicine in aphorism 105 to 145. The other sources of reports in homeopathic materia medica are nothing of sign and symptom which occur because of drug overdose of medicines, noting of signs and symptom which occur in poisoning in a person, noting of sign and symptom which occur after administering the medicines in sick people and following the appearance of side effects, and the book written by the early practitioner of homeopathy have been the base for further work on the subject. Hahnemann developed this by a system of homeopathic proving where a substance was ingested by the prover and the symptoms that the prover reported were recorded in great detail. A materia medica may also include accidental poisoning and some information from clinical treatment. Although there are various materia medica written by different authors and covering different specialties, the term is often used to reference the total sum of homeopathic preparations and prescribing options. Homeopathic materia medica. Homeopathic materia medica are encyclopedia of material which may be used to prepare homeopathic medicines. They list the material along with detail of the proving which establish the symptoms and conditions for which they are claimed to be suitable. They thus constitute a homeopathic prescribing reference guide and are often used along with the homeopathic repertory. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it.